Tokyo Ramen Street is located in the underground depths of Tokyo Station. You can spend most of your day in Tokyo Station because there is so much to do and explore. It is said some of the city's best ramen shops are located here. Finding it can be tricky. Our tip is to ask the staff working in the station to guide you and follow the signs to Tokyo Ramen Street. Hidden in a small alleyway in the huge maze-like Tokyo Station are said to have 8 of the best ramen spots in Tokyo under one roof. The next challenge is choosing which ramen shop you want to try. You can't go wrong, whichever one you choose. Be prepared, especially during peak season, to wait in long lineups for that steaming, delicious hot bowl of ramen. Tokyo Ramen Street offers so many different types of ramen with all kinds of options, even vegan. All the ramen shops operate on a ticket vending machine system. Most of them have pictures with English to help you. You will be offered ramen from various regions, each with its own speciality. Every shop offers their unique recipes, which make them different from each other. It will make you coming back for more. Tokyo Ramen Street is said to offer 8 of Tokyo's best ramen shops. Or are they? It's up to you to decide.
We're at Tokyo Station and we're gonna go find the famous ramen street. That's somewhere in here. We don't know where yet, but we're gonna find it so we can eat some ramen. And there's 8 different vendors.
Alright, this is the front of the Tokyo Station now. The challenge is trying to find the ramen street. It's supposed to be downstairs somewhere. But
let's go!
She's excited for ramen. In the Tokyo Station Pokemon store. It's like small, but it's still cool. I always want to come see a Pokemon store. Bulbasaur. I know there's like a more bigger one, but I don't really want to go out of the way to try to find that. Charmander. There's Pikachu. Plushies of the different kinds of Pokemon here. A lot of them are the original ones here. This is the basement now, underground Tokyo Station, trying to find the ramen street. It's like a gigantic shopping mall in here.
Yeah.
There it is. The sign, Tokyo Ramen Street. Up here.
Oh.
Cool. Okay, so we just follow it. Oh, is this a Kit Kat store?
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Banana Kit Kat.
Tokyo banana. That must be the new flavor, huh?
Banana.
Banana. I wish it had samples. Pardon?
Beer.
I could definitely use a beer. Smells good. Are you getting excited? I'm getting excited for this. That looks like ramen there. That looks good, huh? Oh, that looks spicy, babe. This seems to be the popular one here. It's like huge lineup in front of it.
Oh, this is ramen street.
Oh, this is it here. Oh. Let's walk through it. I guess we found it. This is it. Wow. Look at how spicy that looks. That looks good, eh? I think that's what you were looking for. This is definitely it. No, we're just walking through. But I think if we want to go eat there...
These all look good though.
I know, right?
Oh, this is the vegan ramen place.
Oh, veggie ramen. Yeah, vegan. There you go. I just order it there. We did find the ramen street, and this is in front of...
There's a vegan ramen place.
There we go. That's cool, huh? And then
Yeah.
gluten-free. This one doesn't seem popular. I think
It's because we're in Japan, everyone wants pork belly.
yeah, right. I don't think I'm gonna be having that.
No, me neither.
Oh, these are the 8. So these are the 8. So
Tokyo Niboshi ramen.
and then goes down to 5. They all look great. Like, how do you know which one to choose? You know. Now it's gonna be a hard time choosing one.
This one looks really good. They all look good.
Look, there's one more down here.
Tokyo Ramen Street には
Oh, that looks really good.
That looks good too, right? All right, so now it's time to choose one. You want to take the honors of choosing one?
This one looks really good.
So I think we decided on this one here. There's kind of a long lineup for it, but what do you think looks good? I think I'm gonna get that one. Yeah.
This one looks good too, the spicy one.
So good.
Oh. So we got the creamy chicken, we got a beer, and a whiskey highball. I guess this is the line, babe.
Okay.
Yeah, right? All right, let's do it. So what we're gonna do is split one and then go to another place and get another ramen. So we can just try more than one place.
The ramen was around $10, and the beer was like $5, and the whiskey thing was pretty good deal.
Yep. There's the chefs.
Maybe some chopsticks.
All right, that's it. Chopsticks are in here. Creamy chicken. So we're gonna split the second ramen at this place. And we got the spicy, rich soul ramen. The first one was okay. I've had better,
It
right?
was good, but it was, I think, a bit fishy tasting.
The broth, yeah. Yeah, I've had better. So
And compared to the one yesterday,
I know.
yesterday was so good.
So we'll see what this one's like. Oh, thank you. Wow, that's a gigantic beer. I didn't know it was gonna be that big. Oh, there's the chefs in this one. There's the next, probably the next one. I'm so full and stuffed. That was so good.
That was so
The
good.
second one was better, way better.
Yes. So when you come, the second ramen restaurant is good, but this one is better.
Yeah, like the second one from the entrance.
And this one is
At the very last one against the wall.
the very last one against the wall. Yeah, it's really good. We had the spicy miso ramen.
Yes.
Creamy.
Creamy, yeah, really good, really good. One of the best we've had so far.
I think it's
Is it your favorite? Yeah. So definitely
I
worth.
like the skinnier noodles. This one has thicker noodles, but
And the broth is like so creamy and rich. Definitely Tokyo Ramen Street. Check out in Tokyo Station.
yeah.
All right, Eileen just got this amazing crepe with chocolate, banana, strawberry, whipped cream. I know, right? Look at he's making it so fancy. How excited are you?
I'm very excited. Wow.
That's cool, huh? There you go. Can you introduce this video?
Hi, we're at Tokyo Ramen Station. I'm really hungry. Okay, let me try it.
Go.
I'm just kidding, restart it.
All right, what are we doing? Okay, babe, what are we doing? All right, what are we doing?